What's going on, YouTube? It is Chipster Plays here with my first ever King of Thieves video for you guys to watch. Okay, I did a little bit of stuff before I started this episode, so I'm like level 7 or something. Crap, I'm out of lockpicks. The worst way to start a video is running out of lockpicks. View this frickin' dungeon. Swear to God, if... Oh, come on. I have to complete all my totem rituals. Come on. I'm halfway there. What? Okay, what's this? Defense logs. I'm gonna replay it. You duty bag! How did you... Revenge! Haha! Oh, come on, no lockpicks. Hey, maybe one of those duty bags took my dungeon thing. I really want the lockpicks. I need them lockpicks. All damn lockpicks. Oh, come on. Nope. Restart. It's high voltage. I can't shake the shit because nobody wants this not going up. I need all them keys. I need the keys. Please give me the keys. Yeah, that was easy. Da-na-na, like a boss. What? No keys? No freaking keys! God. Oh, please. If I can just get one key, right. One key, that's all I need. Crap! It's one of the two. God! And there's 900 coins in the chest. That sucks. I can't break into anything. Why, Krampus? Why? Oh, I'm gonna play through these like normal. Yay! Time to break in. Screw. I have the Nimblefoot outfit for you guys to see. 40. Oh, come on! I'm not even making these stupid little jumps. Why? They called you Nimblefoot for a reason, and you're not being very nimble. You're nimble. You're quick. You're freaking... You're nimble. You're quick. You ain't no... And you're not even... Jan... Candlestick? I don't get it. That was too easy. I one-shotted that motherfucker. Just give me my dang keys. I need the keys. All them keys. All of them dollars. Millions. If you guys can tell me what line that is from what movie, that is down below in the description. If you guys can tell me what movie that's from, I will make a video dedicated to you. And I'll give you a shout out to your channel if you can find that one little movie verse. I'll give you a hint. It's a movie about cats. A movie about cats. How is that not recognizable? I'm so leet. Hey, guess what? What? I'm leet, motherfucker. Oh, I was about to say, how easy is this frickin' thing? I see you. Oh, no, you don't. I just got into your chest, motherfucker. Flawless. Oh, that wasn't flawless. Piece of crap. Courtesy to my friend Bubbles. No, that's not his real name. I'm sorry. Bubbles would be a really cool name. Yeah, no! Why, you motherfucker? Courtesy of Bubbles, I will beat this level. Why, Nimblefoot? You ain't no nimble. I can walk off. Why, you motherfucker? Ha ha, sucker. Ooh. Ha! Hee hee hoo! Ha ha! Hee hee! Motherfudger. There was no real reason to go back into these levels, but leveling up, getting 10 freaking keys, like a boost. Finally, I can go back and beat the freaking level. Poland. Oh, come on, the last keyhole. No, no, Nimblefoot, why no? Please, Nimblefoot, no. Ah, you duty bag! Craft battle duty! My God! No, wait, no, I want to get all them keys. All them dollars. I want to get all them dollars. Okay, we gotta go quick. That Nimblefoot himself. Well, that was easy! First try, like Batman would say in the Lego movie. Oh yeah, first try. Easy. I want revenge on who snuck into my dungeon. Up. 129, thank you. This will get me to over 1,000. No freaking way. Oh my God, that is OP as balls. Yeah. Produce gold. One time. Thank you. Attack. I'm gonna attack and kick your butt. Items, that's my job. Yeah. I'm gonna do my essence. I'm gonna kick your butt 'cause you suck. 7,000, 5,000. Gold mine capacity, thank you. Yes, let's speed that up. Capacity. Maximum capacity. Oh, 10,000? What the beep? I want security notes. I don't know how to get those. What did I tap on? Like this? No. 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 Let's upgrade these booty sound. Oh, no. 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 Oh, yeah, it's this one. I will kill you. Oh, this is easy. That's 1, 2, 3. I have enough keys to get in here. God dang, this is easy. Oh, crap. Not if you fail the freaking first jump, you dang it. No, I'm gonna restart the engine. You want to see the dungeon solution before you quit? No, I don't. Oh, crapus. I want to do the dungeon. Oh, oh, oh. I want to do the dungeon. Under shield. Oh, he has it. Okay, I want to retrieve mine. Yay! Did it. Last key did it, motherfucker. He has good defense. That's no crap. That's hard. Okay, this is really hard. Yes, 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 yes! Yes! Pingus! 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 That was so easy. Chips to place. Retrieve it. Oh, like a moose. Ha ha ha. Wait. Where the heck did it go? Where is it? The heck is that? I want my. What? How can I not? How? Friends. These are stolen gems. No. Bing, bing, ding, ding. Drop the brace. I want. You have to get the other egg. Yeah. Bingas. Retrieve it. Under shield. I want revenge. Oh, that's 2,000. Oh crap! I need lockpick scared. With one. Why? You just jump, and run. Got it. And know the exact tactic. How is he under a shield, Carlos? TBR. I thought that was TBNR. I was about to say. He's a level 2, level 3, level 2, level 3. I'm a level 4. I just leveled up. Let's attack the. Oh, he has 1,000 gold. He is over. It's over 9,000. Well, this is gonna end this video, guys. I will beat a dungeon and leave this video to you. Easy one shot, easy one shot. My book is easy one shot. Flawless motherfucker, motherfucker, motherfucker. Ooh, I'm almost done with the campaign. Whoa, that guy has 3 eyes. Well, that's gonna end this video, guys. I'll see you all next time on Ep.2 Plays.